नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहिए। दिस इज JVN Dr. Vishal Saxena, Associate Professor in Mathematics. Today I am going to discuss about the module Classification and Tabulation, and this module is a part of the course Quantitative and Statistical Techniques, and this course is a part of the program PhD coursework. So first we discuss about the definition of classification of data. So the classification of data is the process of arranging the data into homogeneous groups or the classes according to some common characteristics present in the data. For example, during the process of sorting letters in a post office, the letters are classified according to the cities and further arranged according to streets. So this is the example of the classification of data. Now next is types of the classification or the basis of the classification. So we are dividing the classification into 4 different types. The first is qualitative based, the second is quantitative based, the third is geographical based, and the fourth is of the chronological or the temporal base. So first we take the classification of the qualitative base when the data are classified according to a quality or the attribute such as sex, religion, literacy or the intelligence. Then the classification is called the qualitative classification. Second is quantitative base when the data are classified by the quantitative characteristics like height, weight, age, income. Then such classification is according to the quantitative base. Third is geographical base when the data are classified by geographical regions or the locations like states, cities, countries or the states or the provinces. Then such classification of data is called the geographical based data or the classification. Fourth is chronological or the temporal base. So when the data are classified or the arranged by their time of occurrence such as years, months, weeks, days, means according to the time basis, then the such classification is called the chronological or the temporal based classification. For example, time series data. Now next is tabulation of data. The process of placing classified data into tabular form is known as tabulation. A table is a symmetric arrangement of the statistical data in rows and the columns. Rows are the horizontal arrangements while the columns are the vertical arrangements. It may be simple, double or the complex depending upon the type of the classification. So next we take the role or the objectives of the tabulation. So the objective of data tabulation are given by to carry out investigations, to do comparisons, to locate omissions and errors in the data, to use space economically, and next is to study the trends, next is to simplify data, and the last objective of the data tabulation is given by to use it as future references. Now next we take the parts of the ideal table. So in the parts of an ideal table, just we can see at the vertical top it is mentioned as title, while at the bottom it is given that body of the table, and the other parts of the ideal table are given by table number or the sources and the footnotes and the references column headings or the captions, date and the steps or the row designations. So these are the parts of an ideal table. Now next we take the types of the tabulation. First, the simple tabulation or the one-way tabulation. When the data are tabulated to one characteristic, it is said to be a simple tabulation or one-way tabulation. For example, tabulation of data on the population of the world classified by one characteristic like religion is an example of a simple tabulation, because just one characteristic of data means religion is considered here. Second is double tabulation or the two-way tabulation. When the data are tabulated according to two characteristics at a time, then such tabulation is called two-way tabulation. For example, tabulation of data on the population of the world classified by the two characteristics like religion and sex and example is an example of a double tabulation, because we have considered here two characteristics like one is here religion and second is gender. So these are the two characteristics and if these are considered, then such tabulation is called the two-way tabulation. Third is complex tabulation. When the data are tabulated according to many characteristics or more than two characteristics, then it is called a complex tabulation. For example, tabulation of data on the population of the world classified by three or more characteristics like religion and the sex and the literacy, etc. is an example of a complex tabulation, because we have taken here like the three characteristics. One is religion, second is the sex or the gender, and third the characteristic is the literacy. So such tabulation consisting of more than two characteristics is called complex tabulation. This session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope all you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve your doubts and problems. So, with this, I conclude my today's lecture. Thank you.